Hey guys, it's Aria. Today I have a Brandy Melville haul. Woo. So yeah, you could consider this a back to school haul maybe, but yeah, let's get right into it. First, I am going to start with shirts. I got this super cute pink halter top. It just ties in the back, so cute. And I got a matching twin. She's purple and blue and white and black. So cute, same halter top. That is that. Pardon me, I'm gonna be saying cute a lot in this video. Like, how else are you supposed to describe clothes, you know? So next up, I just have a white t-shirt with some little ruffles around the sleeves and the bottom of it. And also it is a v-neck shirt. It's got the waffle material. We love that. Next, I have another white shirt, a great staple piece. It's a little bit more cropped than the last one, but it's got this cute little pattern, some buttons, just a great staple piece. Good stuff. Hopping into some more fun shirts, I have this navy blue striped t-shirt. It's just a basic t-shirt, but it'll make my eyes pop. Here's another good one that will make my eyes pop. It's just this light blue flower shirt. Just comes down in a v-neck, super cute and flattering. I love this. Next up, we have this rose shirt. It's white with little roses and pink roses, and it is adorable. Like, I love this. It's with some red lipstick. Ooh, girl. And lastly, I have these fun pants. I love fun pants. I own quite a few. Love it, yes. So anyways, I went into Brandy Melville and I saw these. They were the last one standing. They're these corduroy lavender pants. What? Like, these are so cute. They flare out at the bottom. I also wanted to show you guys a few things that I got from Urban Outfitters. That, my dear, is my favorite store ever. I ordered these black pants. They have little holes in the knees. These are the BDG Urban Outfitter Twig high-rise jeans. I was looking for black jeans with just some rips in them because, you know, that's a trend. I also got this cowboy belt. It gives me cowboy vibes. Lastly, my last item is this neon jacket. It's a fluffy jacket. It was on sale for $20. That's a steal, so I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get it. I am going to wear this a lot in the winter time. That's exciting, and that's that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my Brandy Melville haul and my little Urban Outfitter haul. Please comment down below what you want to see next. All right, thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.